Namaskara. In this video, we will learn the Kannada numbers from 1 to 100. Kannada numbers are called Kannada Sankhyegalu. Let's begin. The most important thing in Kannada numbers is learning 1 to 10. Once you have learned 1 to 10 properly, then the rest of the numbers are very easy. So, let's learn 1 to 10. 1, ಒಂದು, 2, ಎರಡು, 3, ಮೂರು, 4, ನಾಲ್ಕು, 5, ಐದು, 6, ಆರು, 7, ಏಳು, 8, ಎಂಟು, 9, ಒಂಬತ್ತು, 10, ಹತ್ತು. So, some tips in learning these numbers. Most common mistakes which kids do is they write the other the in the case of eradu. Okay, instead of do, they write do. Eradu, they write eradu. It's not eradu, it is eradu. The second mistake usually kids do is they write muru. They write muru. It is not muru, it is muru. So, badi u matra for ma, muru. The next mistake is for the number 7. They write elu, elu. It is not elu, it is elu, badi a. So some tips in writing numbers. If you see the number 3, it is similar to number 2 in English. And if you see number 4, it is like the letter L without the talekattu or without the head part. If you see 6 and 9, they are upside down. If you see the letter 8, it is L with a small extension at the right top corner. So, these are some of the tips in learning numbers 1 to 10. Now, let's learn numbers 11 to 20. So, if you see the 11 to 20, it looks very complicated, but in actual, it's very easy. So, you just need to remember some prefix which needs to be added. For 11 and 12, you need to remember the prefix hanna. And for 13 and 14, you need to remember the prefix hadi. And from 15 to 18, hadina. Fine? So, then to this prefix, you need to add the number. For in the case of 11, hanna plus ಒಂದು. 12, hanna plus ಎರಡು. 13, hadi plus ಮೂರು. 14, hadi plus ನಾಲ್ಕು. 15, hadina plus ಐದು. 16, hadina plus ಆರು. 17, hadina plus ಏಳು. 18, hadina plus ಎಂಟು. So, as I told you, learning numbers 1 to 10 is very important. So, once you learn the numbers 1 to 10, rest of the numbers are easy. So, for example, 19. 19 is 10 plus 9. 10 is hattu. 9 is ಒಂಬತ್ತು. When you join, it becomes ಹತ್ತೊಂಬತ್ತು. So, let's see the numbers 11 to 20. 11, ಹನ್ನೊಂದು. 12, ಹನ್ನೆರಡು. 13, ಹದಿಮೂರು. 14, ಹದಿನಾಲ್ಕು. 15, ಹದಿನೈದು. 16, ಹದಿನಾರು. 17, ಹದಿನೇಳು. 18, ಹದಿನೆಂಟು. 19, ಹತ್ತೊಂಬತ್ತು. 20 is ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು. So, if you remember this trick of remembering the prefix which is used for each of this number, then 11 to 20 will be very easy to remember. So, now before we learn numbers from 21 to 100, so it's very easy. We don't need to remember each number. We just need to remember their tens. For example, 20 is ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು. 30 is ಮೂವತ್ತು. 40 is Nalavattu. 50 is Aivattu. 60 is Aravattu. 70 is Yappattu. 80 is Yambattu. 90 Tombattu. 100 Nuru. 1000 Savira. Lakh Laksha. Crore Koti. So, some of the tricks here also, if you see here, 3 starts with mu, correct? So, mu plus vattu, mu vattu. If you see 4 starts with, 4 is nalku. Take the na and la from it, nalavattu. 5 starts with aidu. Take the I from it, aivattu. 6 starts with aru. Take just the a and r from it, aravattu. So, these are some of the tricks in remembering the tens. So, now let us see how to write any number between 21 to 100. Okay. So, take any number. Here I am taking a number 25. So, what is 25? 25 is nothing but 20 and 5. So, I already told you we need to remember the tens, 20, 30, 40, etc. So, 20 is ippattu and we already learnt 1 to 10. So, what is 5? Aidu. Okay. So, ippattu plus aidu, 20 plus 5. So, if the second word's first letter, here the second word's first letter is I, it is a vowel. So, if it is a vowel, when you join the word, directly pass on the vowel to the first word's last letter. So, I will go to tu and it will become tai. So, when you join, it will become ippataidu. The ta gets I matra. So, now consider the number 43. 43 is nothing but 40 plus 3. So, 40 we already learned Nalavattu. 3 also we already learned Muru. Now, this Mu, the second word's first letter is a Vyanjan. So, if it is a Vyanjan, take its matra. It has Badivu matra and pass it on to the first word's last letter. So, the ta will become now Badivu matra, tu, correct? And the Vyanjan itself put down as a baby letter. Fine? So, the matra will go to the top, the, and the Vyanjan will come down as baby letter. So, Nalvat Muru. So, similarly, you can write any number from 21 to 99 in this way. Easy way of rewriting numbers between 21 to 99 without by hearting them. So, let's see the numbers now. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30. Now, if you consider any number between 21 and 29, take an example 22. Okay, 22 is 20 plus 2. 20 plus 2. So, a matra will go to 2 and it will become te. So, 22. So, you can apply the logic which I told you for any number between 21 to 29. Numbers 31. 31, 31. 32, 32. 33, 33. 34, 34. 35, 35. 36, 36. 37, 37. 38, 38. 39, 39. 40, 40. So, apply the same logic here. It will work even here. For example, 37. 37 is 30 plus 7. 30 is 30. 7 is 7. So badiye will go to the and it will become te. So 37. 41 41. 42 42. 43 43. 44 44. 45 45. 46 46. 47 47. 48 48. 49 49. 50 50. 51 51. 52 52. 53 53. 54 54. 55 55. 56 56. 57 57. 58 58. 59 59. 60 60. 61 61. 62 62. 63 63. 64 64. 65 65. 66 66. 67 67. 68 68. 69 69. 70 70. 71 71. 72 72. 73 73. 74 74. 75 75. 76 76. 77 77. 78 78. 79 79. 80 80. 81 81. 82 82. 83 83. 84 84. 85 85. 86 86. 87 87. 88 88. 89 89. 90 90. 91 91. 92 92. 93 93. 94 94. 95 95. 96 96. 97 97. 98 98. 99 99. 100 100. Hope you found this video useful and you'll be easily able to learn numbers in Kannada. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel Sulabha Kannada. Thank you.